Hey guys, so there's some talking in the background. Just ignore that and focus on my voice. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make slime test. It's a test with some glue pens that I got from the dollar store because they didn't have glue bottles. So sorry if my hair looks so like crazy. I'm going to be testing some glue pens. It was 3 for $1. And I also got these from the Dollar Tree with their magnetic tin cases for my slime. And it's really cool because they have this like clear top. But let's get started, guys. Okay, so for slime, the slime that I usually make, I need a bowl, hot water with baking soda and saline solution and hot water, some shaving cream, foaming hand soap, food coloring, and I have these just in case I need them, and something to usually mix with, so I'll find something to mix with. But these are optional. This is fluffy slime, so I'm just going to use an old popsicle stick. So I'm going to open up these, and be prepared, guys, because slime can get a little messy. So the reason why this is a test because they're glue pens, so I don't know if it's different. So, okay. So comment if you know if they're different.
Well, that stinks.
These would be really convenient if you're doing like a small project. Oh gosh, okay, so I just cut off the top so it'd be easier. Yeah, there's not a lot in one, so I'm happy I got 3. And it was a really good deal because it was 3 for $1. Okay, we're going to let the...
Yeah, because that's been bothering you a long time.
And cut off this top. Oh gosh. Okay, guys. So
Yeah, it could be. You need a good dose of sun and gambling to get back your energy.
okay. Now I'm going to. Oh, maybe I can twist off the top. Actually, nope. Okay.
That always helps.
Oh. Okay. Sorry.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's what you said. How fun. Even though I don't like hockey, it would be fun to see our team somewhere else.
Okay. And we're going to add the last one in.
That was all through the wild?
Okay. So I added all 3 in, and it's not a lot, so it's okay though. Now I'm gonna add some shaving cream.
Okay.
Okay.
Tim goes to the library a lot because my boss has season tickets. And whenever he can't get rid of his tickets, he calls Tim, gives him his ticket. So actually he just went Tuesday night, Monday or Tuesday night. Yeah, I'm just not a hockey fan. I don't know.
Okay guys, so it's starting to like clump, which is a good thing to see.
It was a great game. They won like 6-2 or something, and it was a good game, so they had fun. But I said, no, take your brother. It's all good.
Okay.
It's fun. It's always fun to go with a big group.
Okay, guys, so this is what it looks like. It's looks really watery still, so, oh gosh, okay, so. Okay, so I'm just gonna add contact lens solution by itself.
Not just your bed and the chair.
Okay. So it's starting to like, oh there. Okay, so now I'm gonna add my food coloring. Oh, actually,
Yeah.
I'm not gonna add food coloring right now yet. I'm not gonna add it yet. So you can tell when it's ready when it starts sticking from the side and wanting to collect itself.
He's like, when are we going on our next cruise? He said, I'm kind of missing that. I said, yeah, me too. I mean, Mexico was wonderful. I mean, it was like the cruise, but I think we waited on better.
So I'm gonna add a little bit more shaving cream because I love fluffy slime.
Because we're somewhere different every day. So I love cruising. And it's just so cheap. We do a lot for a little bit of money. Mexico was cheap for us too. I mean, our food and drinks, so we didn't really all-inclusive, which is too expensive for the price we're looking at. I mean, one place wanted $300 a day per person for your food and drink. Yeah. And I said, I can't drink or eat. I said, that amount of money, or yeah, I just said, oh, forget it. I think the cheapest one we found was $175 extra a day. And I said, again, it's just, Jim probably gets his money's worth in food and drink. But I said, I'm just not gonna do that. I said, so let's give it a try, we'll see what happens. So, it was just on our room tab, and at the end, for our food and drink all week,
Okay.
it was $365 a person total. No, total. The whole 7 days we were there. Yeah, and we ate very well. We ate out, let's see, off the resort twice, I think.
Okay.
One of the excursions, they took
So,
us to a restaurant like right
very
on the
white.
beach. And then the one day we actually went to McDonald's because we said we wanted to see what McDonald's was like in Mexico. So we went to McDonald's, and menus looked similar but a little bit different, so that was actually kind of fun. But other than that, all the
Okay.
rest of our meals were either at the pool or at one of the restaurants, because there was 4 or 5 different restaurants.
How come my grandson's still in his jammies?
And so, yeah, and then drinks for 5 of us. Yeah, it was only $365 a person, so $50-some a day for everything.
Do you know why?
Because we're being lazy today.
What?
That's what she
Yes,
said, because
and
we're being
we'll
lazy
include our
today.
tips, too.
Oh, then I gotta call you a load or what? I gotta call you a load or what? Being a load? Are
What's
you in your
that?
jammies still?
No.
Oh, how come he is?
Okay, I would take off I would show you my shirt. It says, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger, except for sharks. Sharks will kill you. That's what it says.
No, they won't.
Okay, we're just gonna keep that in my
And then you don't
hands.
even have room keys. You just have a wristband, and that's it. That's your
Who's she talking
wristband
to?
actually is your room key.
I have no idea.
Won't let you in.
I thought it was Kathy, but I don't think it's
Yeah, so
Kathy.
it's kind of nice. It went in the water. You didn't need to worry about it, and then you never had to have any money in your
Okay, I'm gonna add my color
Yeah,
now.
way smarter. So I think the last 2 days we brought cash down to the pool.
Holy, looks like you're making Rice Krispie bars.
That was all of And they thought we were like
I don't know if I want to keep it white.
we took it home. And so I think that's
We'll
one
make
of the
it
reasons
teal.
we cut such good service and things.
Yeah, that's disgusting stuff.
And we talked to the one of the
Okay, so I'm
guys,
gonna add some blue. 1, 2, 3, 4,
and he
5,
goes, oh, he
6,
goes, a buck a
7,
person's fine. I go, a buck a person?
8.
And he goes, yeah, and he goes, if they get 10% here on a tip, they think that's a lot of money.
Okay, so
You know,
we'll
we
mix
do
it and see what that
25.
color is. I don't know.
We had such good service. I mean, it was the service was, I mean, you barely could set your cup down or your plate and they were like, do you need anything else? Do you need a refill? Do you need something? And so we just had such good service and it was so nice. That
Okay, guys, so it's still, I think, really sticky. Yeah. And we're gonna turn this into teal, so we need 4 green. 1, 2, 3, 4.
and I don't know why.
Okay.
It's just easy, I guess. Because even in Mexico, we all had to decide, okay, do we want to eat here? Do we all want to eat here? We're on the ship, okay, you go get your food over here, and I'll get my food over here. And
Okay, I'm gonna add some more shaving cream because I want this fluffy.
it's
Plus, I think the shaving cream will help the color get in better.
good. Really?
So, yeah.
Oh,
Play with
how
it.
nice. Did you stay? Good, because the roads were horrible. Because I was still at work, only in Egan. And Tim
Okay.
kept calling, are you coming home? This is about 5:30. And I said, yeah, I'm just trying to finish it up. He's like, have you looked outside? Of course, my new office has no window. I really miss my window. And so I'm looking out and I'm like, oh crap, you can't even see out the door. I said, oh,
Okay.
I probably, yeah. I probably should.
So now I'm just gonna use my hands to knead it because it's really
Jim was coming
weird.
from St. Paul, because I think he had to go for an inspection and he did it took him forever to get home. And that was still early, you know, that was still like 4 o'clock.
okay. So it's still really sticky. So I don't know what to do. If I should just add more contact lens solution, I think I'll do that
Yes.
because it's still extremely sticky. Like it's not even funny. Oh, and then I have it in the middle. Okay, so now you can see my face.
Well, they're lucky they had enough, well, because it's so big now. They had enough room. That's great. Yeah, because Tim and I stayed at the new part of the hotel when we did that Valentine's dinner.
Okay, so I'm just getting the stuff with my
beautiful.
hands. And
But
we're gonna
it's
add a
such
little bit more
waste.
full activator
It's
in.
just, well, I mean, so much open, empty space. You know, in the hallways and stuff, and I just thought, wow. And there was, for that, even for that Valentine's dinner, even though a lot of people did stay, I mean, the hallways back there were empty. Yeah, there was nobody back there. So I don't know what the deal was, but it was, yeah, it was beautiful. Very nice.
Okay, so it definitely made slime, but it's just, I don't think it's ready, fully activated
Very nice
yet.
they did that. I'm impressed with my shit. Hey, I heard they're being sued by that Club Pneumatic.
Okay, we need a lot more of this.
Oh, okay. So do you think they just paid him under the table and said, let's be done with this? Yeah.
Okay, there we go. There we go. I think that was.
I thought Club Pneumatic was the one that told, or I guess I thought it was a joint decision to pull the plug. I didn't realize it was Mystic that pulled the plug.
Okay, so I think it needs a little bit more activator because it's still actually really
But the
sticky.
night they were talking about the lawsuit, Tim says, hey, look at this, you know, Mystic's being sued. Wow.
Okay.
Empty. Yeah, no kidding.
Okay, so we're gonna let that sit and we're gonna get all the extra stuff off.
So do you work
Okay.
tonight?
So now we're going to open.
Oh, fun.
We open these,
Yeah.
and they are magnetic on the back. So let's.
Oh, yes, 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 yes. We're still gonna do all the stuff we've done. No man or woman left behind. There you go.
Okay.
Yeah, that's like when I saw your son-in-law and, hey, Clay, I'm like, where's Kathy? He goes, no, just me and, oh God, Shelly. Well, I said, well, where's Shelly? He goes, oh, she plays in high stakes. He says, I'm out here.
Okay.
So then I did see her later. They both were playing all the lightning machines. Yeah. Because that's where I ran into him. I must have sat
Okay.
with him for a good 20 minutes.
So
Yeah,
here's
it's
the
the ones in
slime.
the back when you're going to the hotel. So there's
So,
like two, and two. And we are right next
Here's
to
the
each other.
slime, and we're going to try to make a second batch. So we'll see if there's enough glue.
But I'm like, then shoot, what if I ask this guy and he's like, no. Well, then I just happened to glance over and he had his card, in the machine and it said Jeff. And I'm like, it is him. So I tap him on the shoulder and he's like, yeah. And I go, are you Kathy's son-in-law? He goes, yes. He goes, I know you, don't I?
Okay.
He goes, I kind of thought so. And I go, well, you're in the same boat as me. I thought I knew you, but I really wasn't sure. Didn't say anything. And I was like, I don't know why, because we talk to everybody when you're on the machine.
Okay.
Yeah. So we talked a little bit. Yeah. And I said, oh, I love these machines. He goes, yeah, they are the death of me. I'm like, yeah, I hear ya. And it started out purple, but I actually did really well on the back row ones by where you come in the main door. Oh, yeah, I got a $10.99. Yeah, $1,500. Well, it was such a fluke thing. I've been doing okay. I mean, I was cashing out $300-400 every time I sat down at one of the machines. And I sat down
Okay,
there and
so
played,
I did a
and
little.
actually, what those
It was
weren't
very
lightning.
little.
They were playing the lightning one, showing Jeff a little bit, like 4 or 5 down. These were that dragon one that looks like a ball of fire. They're just
Now we're
like
going
it.
to mix it.
And this lady sits down next to me, and she, young woman, probably like early 20s, she does a couple of spins, and she's like, oh my gosh, she goes, where's all my money going? And she looks and she goes, oh crap, I'm playing 10 cents at whatever. So she was paying like, I don't know, $5 or $10 a spin, more. And she only put like $25 or $30 in there. And I'm like, oh, she goes, well, how do I change all this? So of course, I don't like to touch other people's machines. But on my machine, I was showing her how you can, change the denomination and, change what you're betting. So I had shown her, wasn't paying attention, and I was, I think it was in nickel. I changed it to nickels and didn't pay attention. So I bet $10. And just as I looked down, I'm like, ah, shit. And Tim's like 3 machines down from me, Keith and Warrior, like behind us, and another machine.
Okay, so it
I'm like,
actually
what?
did
And I go,
work.
well, and all of a sudden I got the bonus. And it just kept going and going and going. And I And then at the end, I go, yep. So he wasn't paying attention then because he was freaked out that I bet $10. Oh God, yeah, he was sweating bullets. So I push the button to end it, yeah, and then the light goes on, you know, the call attendant. So he goes, now what? And I go, well, look. And he looks and he's like, holy crap. I think it was like 15:45 or 15:60 or something like that.
Okay, so I'm gonna add a little color.
Which it happens a lot because they always put it next to the respin button.
Okay.
Yes, yeah, because he's done it a few times too, but it's never paid off for us before. Yep.
Okay.
Yep. Yeah, I'm like, oh crap. But yeah, it worked out pretty good, so it wasn't too bad. Because he
Hello?
was getting his butt kicked, and then he was getting mad, and then he's no fun to deal with.
Okay.
I mean, he just howled so bad. So it was good, because then I got
Okay, so
back and plenty more. 'Cause, yeah, and then after that, I couldn't lose. The guys went to bed about 12:30, I suppose 1 o'clock in the morning, and I was like, well, what do you want to do? I go, oh, come on, I'm winning, let's go, we'll put some money in this machine. So put some money in there, we won $500. And then we played another one.
oh, this
won
is so pretty,
$200.
guys.
So of course, we get back to the room, wake the guys up, Tim's doing the math, and he's like, well, you should have like $3,000 or $4,000 or something. I said, no, wait. You do realize that when I go to the next machine, I have to put more money back in to win the $500. And he's looking at me and I said, I still have plenty of money. But I said,
Okay,
"Hey,
so I'm
you know
gonna
what?
grab
You need the
some
money
of
just
this.
I don't know what, I start with a nickel, and then it keeps going. He goes, oh, so we have casino math. And I said, no, if I tell you how much I'm up, that's what I'm up. But I said, you freak out because you say, well, you won this ticket, and this ticket, and this ticket. Well, yeah, but I put, 100 back in here, or 50 back in here.
So this is what I made
And I said, that's why
with my extra stuff. I had that really pretty red and I just threw it all the way to this beautiful purple. So,
He's paying a little bit more because actually, usually he takes $100, and then that's it. That's his drink money, his plane money, and he uses whatever, he's done. But then that night he goes, ah, screw it, you're winning. He goes, give me another 100, and I look at him and I go, seriously? And I'm like, well, sure, because of course at that time I was up over $1,000. And so I gave him the 100 and I go, oh, big spender.
okay. So I added some
So
red.
then he still played, and then we played a little bit in the morning. So yeah, it was fun. We ain't been to Hinkley in so long. It's so different, and of course it's all under construction. The bulk of it all in the middle is all covered in tarps. Yeah. I'd say a good third of the casino is in tarps.
Okay guys, so this is my ending slime. Hope you guys enjoyed. This is a beautiful slime.
So maybe it pays to stay away once in a while.
Bye guys.